Are you looking for flooring installation services in Portland? Do you want to boost the value of your house by installing hardwood flooring? Whatever flooring services you need, Best Flooring Installation in Portland is the one you can trust. We are the best in flooring installation. We will bring samples to you or install your material. We specialize in hardwood floor, engineered wood floor, laminate wood floor, vinyl planks, refinishing wood floor. Our team of experienced installers will focus on your precise wishes to deliver cost-effective solutions to any project. When it comes to flooring installation, Best Flooring Installation Portland is one of the most trusted flooring installers serving customers throughout Portland. We offer an unrivaled combination of durable, cost-effective flooring products, expert craftsmanship, and personalized customer service you won't find with any other flooring installer. Regardless of the size or nature of your flooring installation needs, our team is your source for flawless results the first time, smooth and hassle-free customer experience. Our installers are certified and take pride in the beauty of the finished product they provide. It's our goal to ensure that you are happy with your floor. Look no further. Contact us now.